Why is it that when you leave the salon, you can never seem to get your hair to be as full, beautiful, and voluminous as your hairdresser can? Well, I am here to tell you that it could be something as simple as some mistakes that you are making when you are conditioning your hair in the shower. Today we're going to be talking about all of the top conditioner mistakes that I see clients make time and time again. And as a secret bonus tip, watch until the end of the video because I'm going to be telling you something that I often tell my model clients when they are doing runway shows, when they are doing ad campaigns, a little secret conditioner hack that's gonna get you really full, beautiful, voluminous hair without any weight. And just to make it fun, we are also going to be playing How Much Do You Know About Conditioning Your Hair game. Let's go. Question number 1. When it comes to choosing a conditioner, do you, 1, choose a conditioner for dry damaged hair no matter what type of hair you have? Hair needs moisture. It needs moisture. So choose a conditioner that will actually give it moisture. 2, choose a conditioner that is lightweight no matter what type of hair you have. You don't want your conditioner to weigh your hair down. So just choose a lightweight conditioner that's going to give it moisture and it's going to give it all of the nutrients, but it's also going to leave your hair weightless and fluffy and beautiful. 3, actually listen to what marketers say and choose a conditioner that is specific to your individual hair goals and needs. Go. This one's easy, so I hope you got it. It's number 3. You need to choose a conditioner that is going to be very specific to not only your individual hair goals, but also to your individual hair needs. And this is going to vary from person to person. Let me show you a few options. First off, you really do need to choose a conditioner that is from a professional line. When you're using very cheap drugstore shampoos and conditioners, you are ending up with very cheap ingredients. Cheap ingredients aren't going to perform as well as higher end ingredients. When it comes to hair care, you really do get what you pay for. If you buy a conditioner that is $8, think about the manufacturing costs, the product costs, the bottling costs, the cost to even get it into the store, the cost for the ingredients themselves. $8 is a markup. It is the profit. So think about how much the actual ingredients in that product is costing if after all of those other fees, the conditioner still only costs $8. Now it can be really difficult to stomach spending like $30 or $40 on a conditioner, but you have to think about it this way. When you're spending a lot of money on a conditioner, you are also spending a lot of money on the ingredients, and the ingredients is what's going to get you the performance that you want. The next thing is making sure to choose a conditioner that is very specific to your needs. When you're with your hairdresser and they show you their product wall, you're gonna wanna make sure to read the labels and make sure that you are choosing something that's going to address the actual needs of your hair and also the goals that you want for your hair. For example, this is a conditioner by Milkshake and it is called Energizing Blend Conditioner. Now this is a hair thickening conditioner. So if you are someone that is having issues with balding, having issues with androgenetic alopecia, traction alopecia, any type of alopecia, and you want to thicken up that hair, then you want to get a specific conditioner that is going to be really good for scalp health and hair health. Something that is even going to pump up the strands so that it doesn't look way down at all. It doesn't look like you have more balding. Now, if you're someone that just underwent a big color change or someone that does a lot of color, then you're going to want to choose a conditioner for color treated hair, or maybe even one for moisture if you are stripping your hair a lot. A great one that I really like is KMS Color Vitality. This is actually a purple conditioner, so if you have blonde color treated hair, it can take out the brassiness in that blonde. And finally, if you are someone that has gone through a huge color change, like you went from black hair to platinum hair, you've been bleaching your hair out a lot, you've noticed that your hair is starting to break a lot, you're going to want a conditioner for deep repair. You want something that's going to be putting that protein back into your hair, all of that essential nutrients back into your hair so that you can prevent more breakage. Now in that case, Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner is my favorite for my clients that have done severe damage to their hair and really need to get it to a better place. Now, a mistake that I see people making a lot in my salon is not changing their conditioner when their hair needs change. For example, if you're someone with really dark hair, you've had dark hair forever, and it was feeling a little lifeless, you could be using a lightweight conditioner for volume. Now all of a sudden, it's summer, you decided to bleach your hair, you want to be like a honey blonde, and your hair is dry and you're still using your volume conditioner when you really do need a repair conditioner. Using the same conditioner that you used when you're 12 years old is a really bad idea. Your hair changes with time, your hair needs change with time, and the things that you do with your hair change with time. So you need to adapt your hair care routine to what's currently happening to your hair, not just what you're used to using. Question number 2, should you apply your conditioner to very wet hair, damp hair, or dry hair? Go. The answer is damp hair. Now, hear me out, okay? Hear me out. Hair is like a sponge. Hair absorbs things like a sponge. It is porous. Now, what happens if you put a conditioner on hair that is very wet in the shower is that the conditioner can't absorb into the hair anymore because there's nowhere for it to absorb into. The hair is already full of water. So what you want to do when you are in the shower is after you shampoo, you just want to wring your hair out. Just wring it out. You don't have to get out of the shower. You don't have to get a towel. Like, you don't have to worry about that. Just grab your hair in your hands, wring it out, and then apply your conditioning product. That is going to ensure that your conditioner can actually penetrate into the hair shaft and actually give your hair the moisture and the nutrients that it needs. Question number 3, how much conditioner do you actually need? Do you need a nickel amount? Do you need a quarter amount? Do you need a loonie amount? You really want to make sure that all those strands are saturated. Go. The answer is a quarter or maybe a loonie. Mistake number 3 is using way too much conditioner. A lot of people just slap on that conditioner, they put it everywhere, and they use way too much. Now, the problem with using too much conditioner is what can happen is your hair can get really weighed down, can get really slick and oily, can get a lot of buildup. We don't want that. However, we still want benefits from conditioner. Now, if you watched my shampooing mistakes video, you will know that when we shampoo hair, we want to focus on the scalp. The scalp is what we really want to get clean. When we work with conditioner, we want to focus on the hair, not the scalp. So shampoo tends to be the same amount for everyone because everyone's head tends to be about the same size. However, conditioner is different. Depending on the density of your hair, you're going to need to use different conditioner because you're not putting conditioner on your scalp, you're putting conditioner on your actual hair. If you have fine to medium density hair, I would say that a quarter is probably good. If you have very thick hair or very long hair, we're going to be looking at a loonie. What you want to make sure is that all your hair is saturated in the conditioner, but that you're not weighing your conditioner down. And that brings me to mistake number 4, and that is putting conditioner on your scalp. The bottom of your hair is the hair that's been around the longest. It has seen the most amount of damage when it comes to heat styling, the elements like sun, pollution, and also when it comes to color, when it comes to chemical services that you are doing. The bottom of your hair has really been the part of your hair that's been the most abused. The root of your hair is often not even touched with color. Sometimes it is, but often it's not. It's, just grown out. Even if it has been colored, it's been colored like once, not like 10 times. So the root of your hair is really healthy in comparison to the ends, even the low mid shaft area. So when you are working with conditioner, you want to start right at the ends and the mid shaft and then work your way up. Don't even worry about touching the scalp unless you're using a conditioner that's very specific to scalp health, like some of the hair regrowth alopecia conditioners. But for the most part, you want to localize all of your conditioner on the mid shafts and ends. You want to use enough to saturate your strands, but you don't want to go crazy and end up with really weighed down hair. The key point here is avoid the scalp and you'll be happy. Mistake number 5 also applies to styling products, and it's something that I see really often when I ask clients to put on their own styling products to see how they do it, and that is applying products unevenly throughout the hair. Now, one really easy way to get the conditioner to go through your entire hair evenly is to apply it in the shower, starting at the bottom, working your way up, avoiding the scalp, and then taking a wide tooth comb and combing it all through. What that's gonna do, it's gonna distribute the product throughout your entire head of hair, and it's gonna make sure that everything is coated really evenly. And that leads me to question number 4. Now, if you saw the shampooing mistakes video, you're gonna know the answer to this question, so shh. How long should you leave your conditioner in for? Is it 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or a full 10 minutes? Go. It's 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, it's all good. 10 minutes, nothing bad's gonna happen, but really, a lot of people don't have 10 minutes. 3 minutes is more than enough. Once you put that conditioner on, wash the rest of your body, shave your legs, contemplate life, and then you're done. Now, if you made it all the way here and you want to know the secret that I tell models in order to get voluminous but shiny, beautiful hair, this is it. If you tend to have an issue with volume and you tend to have an issue with your hair being weighed down, try to condition your hair before shampooing your hair. What? Yeah. Basically what you want to do is you want to apply the moisture into your hair. You're going to leave it for 3 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to shampoo your scalp. You're really going to penetrate your scalp. You're going to lift all of that dirt and debris. As the bubbles run through the rest of your hair, you're also going to lift a little bit of the conditioner off, but all of the nutrients and all of the moisture that needed to be absorbed into the hair is already absorbed into the hair. So what you're going to end up with is less slippery locks, which can lead to more volume while still maintaining nutrients and health in the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to know the top shampoo mistakes that you are making, then check out this video next. I will see you next week. Bye!